In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Slack QR code, how to find and use QR code on Slack. If you want the quickest way to get Slack onto your phone and connect it to your current workspace, Slack provides a handy QR code right inside the app. We'll pull that up from your desktop or browser version of Slack so you can scan it with your phone and be ready to go. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the home view. That's the main screen where you see your channels, direct messages, and the center panel with conversations. If you use multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one you want to access on mobile, since the QR code you're about to open is meant to help you get the app and connect with the workspace you're currently viewing. Next, look to the top left corner of Slack's sidebar and click your workspace name. This is the label that appears above your channel list. Clicking it opens a menu with workspace options and helpful links. If your window is narrow, you may see a small down arrow next to the name. That's the same menu. Give it a click, and a drop-down will appear. From that menu, choose Get the Mobile App. On some versions, the text may be phrased slightly differently, but it will clearly reference the mobile app. Selecting this opens a panel or window that displays a QR code generated by Slack. That code is there to make setup on your phone much faster. Keep it visible on your screen and avoid sharing it in screenshots or recordings for your own security. Here's how this helps. When the QR code is on your screen, you can point your phone's camera at it to go straight to Slack's download page or to securely link your account, depending on your organization's settings and your device. Most modern phones recognize QR codes instantly. If your camera doesn't pick it up, make sure QR scanning is enabled in your camera settings, or use a built-in QR scanner if your device provides one. Some versions of the Slack mobile app also include a sign-in with QR option, which can speed up authentication for workspaces that enforce single sign-on. A couple of quick tips if you don't see the option. Make sure you're signed in to Slack, try resizing the window so the full menu text appears, and consider updating the Slack desktop app or using the web version at app.slack.com. If a separate window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings. And that's it. Open Slack Home, click your workspace name, choose Get the Mobile App, and your Slack